Hi, this is Jim Allswager. I'm the futures trading room specialist with Microquant and ValueCharts.com. This is the video of the day for July 23rd, 2013. And in this video, I'm going to show you an easy way to trend trade using MQ indicators. So let's get right down to it and show you an example of what I mean. We're looking at a 500 tick chart of crude oil. And on this chart, you will see actually there are 4 different MQ indicators, which are proprietary indicators that we have available at ValueCharts.com. And we use these, of course, in our trading room. Down below in the subgraph, you see MQ momentum. And then on the main price graph, we see a solid red line, which also turns green. And we see the green dots here also, which also up here are actually red up in this corner here. And then you may see some differences in the actual price bars where they seem to be highlighted or a little bit thicker. Well, that's another indicator called value bars, and that tells us if price is over or undervalued relative to a particular setting that we can set or customize with that particular indicator. So here's how we teach how to trade trends depending on if you're using a 500 tick chart or a 2-hour chart or whatever chart it is. It works the same regardless. And the first thing we'll do is just take a look at, you can visually just look as I scroll through this. When you have MQ trend, which is the solid line here, or I'm sorry, is the dots, MQ trend and MQ regression is the solid line. And when you have those two lined up in the same direction, either both going down or red is a short position, or if we see here they're in agreement, both green, which means we now have an uptrend. So when those two are in agreement, we can look to get in a trade either immediately or we wait for a price bar to actually give us an under or overvalued price. And I'll blow this up a little bit closer so you can see what I mean. So right here we can see MQ trend and MQ regression both are in agreement, which means okay, we have an uptrend on this chart. Let's wait for an undervalued bounce. Now that would be any of these bars right here where you see they're highlighted, or even right here. And we can use the MQ momentum indicator down below to also look at momentum, but we don't need to. We're just waiting for this to change, which it has, waiting for price to come back down, undervalued, and we go long, and you can see what happens here. Now if I scroll through this, you can just visually see how these work together. Are they a perfect indicator? Of course not. There's nothing that works 100% of the time. But again, if you watch this, for the most part, this is on a 500 tick chart, you can see where price will work very well. Right here again, we had a little bit of a consolidation area. You could have potentially went short here. That would have been a little bit tougher trade. But over here, you can see where they both agreed to go long. And you can see what price does here. Now I'll just scroll right through it and you can see what happens. And you get some very, very nice trades out of this. This is just one way to trade trends using MQ indicators. You can see they actually work fairly well. And really that's it for the video of the day for July 23rd, 2013. Again, if you have more interest in these indicators or joining our trading room, just go to ValueCharts.com. Remember, manage yourself, manage your emotions, and then manage your trades. Have a good day. Okay, if you have any more interest or would like to find out more about us, Microquant, or the MQ indicators, feel free to visit us at YouTube. And also, we also have an operating options trading room at this point in time, and coming soon will be our Forex and equities trading room. We'd love to have you. Check us out. Remember, manage yourself always, manage your emotions, and then manage your trades. Have a great day.